Hi, I've just put an order in, emini day trader for 1322 to buy 4. I'm going to put it on pause here until we get filled and then resume the video. Okay, as you can see here, I've restarted the video and I've had to bump up the entry order to 1324.50. We did not get filled at 22. You can just see we just hit our first objective. Our stop has already been adjusted automatically by the ATM feature within NinjaTrader. So we are long from 1324.50. We bought 4 contracts. We've already exited 2 of them. Our stop has been bumped up because we always start with a maximum of 6 ticks of risk. It has now been reduced to 3 ticks. Our second objective is at 326. You can see the green tag there. We are looking to sell 1/4 of our position at 1326. And should the market move up and fill us there, then we will go ahead and, I should say the automated trade management strategy from Ninja will automatically bump up. There it goes. Bumps us up on the stop to break even on the final partial. So you can see we only have 1 contract left now of the 4. We've made 3 ticks on 2 contracts and 6 ticks on 1 for a total of 12 ticks. We've locked that in because we can do no worse than 0 profit on the final partial here with our stop at break even. I'm going to cancel this because it will also cancel that sell limit up there. What we like to do is use our software to help us manage the final 1/4 position, because we can do it from a structural standpoint, not just a money management standpoint. And so I will go ahead and place a sell stop at our entry price for just 1 contract. So this is just for 1/4 of our position. We started with 4 contracts. We've sold 3 of them. We've had profits on 3, and we're just going to have this break even in here for now on this final 1/4 position. The reason we like to do multiple contracts is that we have many of our members who will trade not just 4, but 10, 12, 20, 40 contracts. So it gives them some assistance and some ideas as far as how they might want to manage their trade with using multiple contracts. So I'm just going to adjust the scale here, hopefully make this chart a little bit more visible. And so whether it's 1 contract, 4 contracts, or 40 contracts, it doesn't matter. We like to manage our trades in 3 groups. First objective, second objective, and then manage the third according to the actual structure of the market. So what I think I'll do here is put this video on pause in just a moment here. Rather than making the video too long, just put it on pause and restart it once an adjustment needs to be made. Okay, the market has rallied. Restarted the video, and you can see we're still in this 1 contract here. You can see the market has rallied with a buying blue and then a buying lime green bar, and I've adjusted the stop here to 1326. So worst case scenario would be to make 6 ticks or 1.5 points on this final partial. So we've locked that in now. The reason I've put it at 1326 is that when we manage our final partial position in emini day trader, we can use our software to pinpoint exactly when and at what price we should go ahead and make that stop adjustment. And just shift over the chart here for a moment. And we like to place our stop 2 ticks below when we're long. We will adjust our stop once we've hit our second objective. We will adjust that stop and place it 2 ticks below the low of the highest buying paint bar. So the high on the buying paint bar that you see, the line bar there, is 1326.50. So we've placed our sell stop at 1326, which is above obviously our entry price of 1324.50. So should the market come down and stop us on this, we'll make 6 ticks on the final 1/4 of our position. We've already made 6 ticks on 1/4 of the position, which was our second target. And the first target was just 3 ticks, and that's where we exited 1/2 of the position, in this case 2 contracts. So we made a total of 6 ticks on our first target, 6 ticks on our second, and it looks like if we get stopped here, we would make 6 ticks on this one. So it would be a total of 18 ticks. Trade like that, 18 ticks is equivalent to 4.5 points. And of course it's $50 per point, $12.50 per tick per contract. I'm just going to adjust the scale here, hopefully see this a little bit better. Well, you can see that we did get stopped out on that. Okay, so we made our 18 ticks, 4.5 points. That's $225 on this particular trade. Just sample trade on early on Friday, July 1st, 2011. So thanks for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you again soon.